This Christmas at Sandringham isn't just another royal tradition. It's a powerful celebration of life, healing, and family unity after one of the toughest years the royal family has faced. King Charles, Queen Camilla, the Wales family, and the wider royals are gathering once again, and it feels more meaningful than ever. Just a year ago, the world watched Princess Kate bravely share her cancer diagnosis. She faced it with quiet strength, then announced a remission, a moment of hope for millions. This Christmas, she's back in full royal duties on her own terms. Her presence at Sandringham, alongside William and their children, feels like a gentle victory. King Charles brings his own good news. After revealing his cancer in February 2024, he shared recently, thanks to early detection and excellent care, his treatment schedule will be reduced in the new year. He calls it a personal blessing and proof of how far cancer care has come. For a family that's faced so much, this news adds extra warmth to the festive table. Prince George, 12, Princess Charlotte, 10, and Prince Louis, 7, will join the famous Sandringham Church walkabout, a tradition that stretches back generations. Earlier this week, George and William helped at the Passage charity, preparing Christmas lunch for the homeless. Just like Diana did with William when he was 11, the moment George signed the visitor's book, right under Diana's 1993 entry, was pure magic. This year's lunch at Buckingham Palace was packed, the Duke and Duchess of Edinburgh with Lady Louise, Beatrice, Eugenie, and more. A rare full reunion before Sandringham. The estate has been the royal Christmas home since 1988. Queen Elizabeth adored it. King George VI called it his favorite place. It's where the first Christmas broadcast was recorded in 1932, and where Elizabeth II spent her first Christmas as queen. Asterisk from healing to hope, from tradition to renewal. This Christmas at Sandringham is a reminder that even in palaces, families face real challenges and find real strength in each other. A season of love, gratitude, and quiet courage. Merry Christmas from the royals and from us.